Well, I've only been here a couple of days, and today coming to the stadium is the first time outside of the hotel. So it's been very exciting to get outside of the hotel and see a little bit more. And I'm looking forward to seeing more in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, in Karachi, in Lahore, also throughout the tour. We're just really excited to be here, and everyone has been really welcome. Everyone is very excited that we're here, and we understand and appreciate just how important and historic this Test series is and how much it means to the Pakistan cricket world, but also to the general people of Pakistan.
I am delighted to be here for my first time. I've only been here for a day, but already the hospitality, the weather, the people, the cricket, it's been beautiful. I just can't wait for it to start. I've had the best press box lunch that I've had all throughout the last few months in Australia. This is better, a lovely spicy chicken. I like my spice, and I'm looking forward to trying more, tasting more Pakistani food. It feels like it's the perfect weather. It's not too hot, not too cold, a bit of a breeze as well.
Look, this is a big event for Australian cricket, and as an Australian cricket journalist, it makes me very happy to see Australians come back and play cricket here. But when you get here, you really understand how important it is for Pakistan cricket and the Pakistani people. Everybody is so excited. We love Pakistan food in Australia. Have you ever been there? We have a lot of Pakistani people cooking a lot of very good food. And what I really want to try is the peshari lamb. And your bread, your tandoori breads are fantastic.